Previously, we learned about 有, which represents a wine jar. In this video, we will learn another basic character origin related to a wine container, 壶. 壶 resembles a wine vessel. The image of a wine cup. A cross is drawn inside, indicating it is filled with wine. The original meaning of 壶 is full. Characters created with 壶 are related to a full wine vessel. Not many characters are created from 壶. Below we will learn a few example characters. First, let's look at 壶. The form of this character has a house on top, and 壶 below, which we just explained means full. Combined together it means the house is full of wealth. So the original meaning of 壶 is abundant possessions. Wealthy, opposite of poor. Note, in ancient times, 贫 and 穷 were distinct. 穷 meant a person was unsuccessful or dissatisfied. 贫 meant having no money. 富贵, 富翁 both mean abundant possessions having money. From abundant possessions, it extends to mean all kinds of abundance. For example, 年富力强. Because when a person is young, they have much time ahead, a long future, so youth is called 年富. This idiom means a person is young and energetic, called 年富力强. Another idiom is 学富五车, meaning a person has vast knowledge. As abundant as 5 cartloads of books. 学富 means abundant knowledge. Second, let's look at the character 富. The form of 富 has a knife in the middle and 2 wine vessels on both sides, meaning using a knife to split 2 wine vessels apart. Later, to simplify writing, 1 wine vessel and the knife were kept, becoming today's form. The original meaning of 富 is to split, to cut something apart, to divide from the middle. Because the 2 halves are identical, it extends to mean matching or fitting. For example, 名副其实 means the name matches its reality. They correspond. 2 things were originally together, then separated by a knife. So it extends to mean a pair, a set, all using this 副. 一副手套, 一副对联. But later, people often use 副 to mean set, so today, writing it as 副 is not wrong. Actually, 副 was originally a misspelling. Now it's standardized and not considered wrong. Third, let's learn 福, as in happiness. 福, as we mentioned, that wine was often used for sacrifices. The earliest form of 福 depicts using wine for sacrifice. The earliest form of this character shows hands lifting a wine vessel pouring wine towards the altar, sacrificing to deities, to pray for blessings from gods and spirits. Later, the hands were removed from the character, leaving the wine vessel and the altar. The original meaning of 福 is to bless and bestow happiness. Next, let's learn 逼, as in compel. This character we learned before the walking radical, which is 走. It relates to walking or movement. 福 means something is full. When full, one feels pressure. So it extends to mean proximity in distance, meaning very close. The original meaning of 逼 is to approach. After approaching, there is a sense of threat, extending to mean pressuring, threatening. So 逼迫 means to threaten.